Kerala, Aryangav, then Puliyari checkpost. It's time to leave Kerala now, and it was a good and wonderful experience here, right? So we all have enjoyed this time here, Christmas and New Year together with family and relatives. We enjoyed a lot here. So it's time to say goodbye to Kerala until we meet again. So yeah, I'll miss my house. I'll miss each and everyone here. So now everything is going to be back normal again. As you all know by reading the title that I'm head to Chennai. From Kerala to Chennai, I'm saying bye to Kerala, and right now it's time to leave. So I have covered almost 150 kilometers and we left early morning, that is around 6:30 around. So we are right now going to Madurai, and Madurai is 90 kilometers away. So it's gonna like we came in early morning, so that's why the roads are very good and there is no as such of traffic. And we covered almost, we completed the Kerala part. So we are right now in Tamil Nadu. So yeah, it's going amazing right here. And this is the first break we took for the breakfast, because we all woke up around 5:30 to set up all breakfast and everything, lunch and all. So yeah, right now it's breakfast time, and we have the same special idli back again on road. So I'm going to have that idli. Guys, the road special is always the idli part is always the road special. So I'll meet you guys having my breakfast. So guys, if you're coming from Kerala to Chennai, Tamil Nadu, then in Puliyari there will be checking for other state vehicles, and for TN vehicles they don't have any checking. So that is an important note to note. And not only e-pass is necessary, I don't think e-pass is necessary, all other documents are necessary for that. So guys, we are at our first toll to enter Madurai, and something is going nearby, some festival or something is going nearby. An amazing ride is going on right now. I'm speaking slowly because everybody is sleeping here, and yeah, the climate is also very good. It's around 25 degrees Celsius. So yeah, it's going an amazing ride, and roads are very good. Second toll here, it's before Madurai, 10 kilometers before Madurai. So it's raining heavily, as you can see. And now FASTags are compulsory, so you need to, without waiting in the line, FASTags is important right now. It's raining too heavily that the temperature just dropped to 23 from 27, and it's very cool inside the car also. The AC is on, but yeah. Just took a small break for coffee, and we are right now, we have crossed Madurai and we are heading to Tirchi. So here is some coffee shop near service road. So we stopped it, and it's raining a lot. It's a boring ride right now, and it's raining so much. So we'll have a coffee. Lot of cows in the road, and we are not able to move. This man with the stick brought the cows in the road, and I don't know why. He is simply laughing, and see, look at his face. Now we are finally free. Let's continue. Guys, I had my lunch right now, and it was good. And now I have given dad to drive right now, and I will be taking 10 minutes nap. And so he's driving. I'm sitting at the back, and I will relax for some time. Then I will take it over. Superb ride. Something like it is interesting and amazing to sit at back seat. I think we have pillow here. Oh my God, just opened the window. Wind blast came inside. And we do have a blanket also, and it's amazing. I will take a nap and meet you guys. from the time we have entered Tamil Nadu, and it's like continuously raining, and the ride is not good as such we thought of, because it's continuously raining and it's not interesting. It's everybody is busy in their drive, and I am also busy with my sleep. Bye guys. So I slept for around 30 minutes and it was a good sleep for me. So I am refreshed again, and my dad rode around 100 kilometers right now, and we are yet to finish, like more 150 is left. So till now it's going good and the roads are pretty good. It's better than Chennai to Kerala. The roads are very good, and yeah, we have crossed Vishrantwadi toll plaza and we are heading. So more 150 is left, and we took up petrol. We have to refuel the tank, so we took a break of 5 minutes here and get refreshed everything. So we filled the petrol and everything, so it's going good and amazing. So we took a 2 minutes break. Right now we are in petrol pump to use the restrooms and everything. So the ride is very boring. It's continuously raining, and yeah, it just stopped for 1 minute, I think so. And it's continuously raining. It's a very boring ride. Nothing special. Same route. Kerala. If you cross the border, no checking for TN vehicles. All other vehicles they will be checking, and from there Kerala, Aryangav, then Puliyari checkpost for entering Tamil Nadu, and then there to Madurai to Tirchi, then rest. So now we will be continuing back our ride. So finally guys, we have reached Chennai. It's right now 7 here, so it took us around 12 hours to reach here. So it was a good journey, but not that great because it was all raining here. So tired a lot. Went to buy some things for the house, and so I'll end the vlog here. So if you enjoyed this for whatsoever reason, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Till then, signing off. Adigos amigos.